Hey, Mike. You want me running for a while or not? All right, brother. Huh? I'm gonna give you your first. I'm gonna keep track of your time to your first hit. All right. I'll let you know after we're done.
Okay.
Range is hot. Shooter, lock and load. Shooter ready. Front sight. Front sight.
Just put new sights on today, haven't shot it yet.
That would be a problem, brother. Want me to call them out?
Yeah.
2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Move to the last one. Go ahead. Nice. Just over the top. You got it. Hammer down, or there you go, reholster. Range is cold. 4 shots, first time. 4-shot hit it at 6.29. Your average between the shot groups was like 2-1, 2-2. So good times.
Okay.
You just gotta get it on target. And obviously, with you putting your freaking sights on and not ever shooting it before.
Let's see. Where did I dropped it up here. It's up here, wasn't it? Oh, thank you.